There it is, start the linoleum. Vinyl, what do you call it?
A sleeper sofa.
Hell yeah, it's a sleeper. Not as heavy as you would expect, but
Okay.
it's still heavy.
Alright.
Yo, just set it right there out of your way. Alright, unrolled and laid in. Now the trimming. Looks good. I like it. They picked good flooring, that's for sure. I like what they picked. It's very thick. This stuff's thick. I mean, you can fold and twist and do all kind of stuff with that and not make a wrinkle in it. So, if you get cheap flooring, you get cheap results, right, Chris?
Yes, sir.
Cheap flooring, cheap results. Get the good flooring. It's a lot easier to install.
It don't wrinkle.
Doesn't wrinkle. I mean, if you put a wrinkle in another piece, a regular piece of flooring, it's gonna be there forever. This stuff here, you can roll it, fold it, twist it, and it's still gonna look just the same when you unfold everything. And when you gotta do that kind of stuff right there, you don't wanna have wrinkles all in your floor. But in order to lay that floor, that's what you're gonna have to do.
Yeah, the wrinkles come right out of this when it
They come
lays in.
right out, it's beautiful stuff. It's well worth spending the extra money on the more expensive flooring.
It lasts a lot longer
A
too.
lot longer. What was that?
Cheap flooring ain't good.
Good flooring ain't cheap?
Yep. It makes it more comfortable to walk on too.
It's nice. Nice. Yeah, pull it back and glue together.
Hold up. Okay, hold up. heavy, don't it?
Last piece. Finished. 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 Now we're gonna try to put it back together. It's the fun part, Paul. Put it back together. Cleaning, cleaning. Sweeping, cleaning, putting back together. That's the end of it. Hang the doors back. Put these doors back. Put our transitions in. Move all the furniture back from my trailer into the house. All right. Well, this is the way we're going to leave it. Basically the way we found it. Except that the beds were made. We have finished all the floors, transitions, bathroom, laundry room, kitchen. Finished. Transitions are all in. Living room's finished. They need a couple vents here I did not get. Bedroom. Bathroom, closets, everything. Done. One end to the other. All right, guys, we are out.